Official announcement: BCCISA's new office opening in Sandton. The Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry in South Africa, BCCISA, is proud to announce the opening of its newly established office at 85 Wessel Rd, Rivonia, Sandton, at 191, a modern, elegant, and purpose-driven workspace designed to empower collaboration, innovation, and sustainable growth. This new office has been officially rated 4-star by the Africa Green Agency for its commitment to environmental standards, energy efficiency, and a green working environment, reflecting BCCISA's broader vision for responsible and future-oriented development. The office environment offers a professional yet welcoming setting that encourages strategic dialogue, business networking, and community-driven initiatives. With its bright interiors, advanced facilities, and open creative spaces, it serves as a symbol of unity between Bangladeshi and South African business communities. Located in Rivonia, Sandton, one of South Africa's most vibrant and rapidly growing business hubs, this area provides easy accessibility, premium amenities, and a thriving corporate atmosphere. Surrounded by major enterprises, modern offices, and cultural diversity, it is the perfect location for BCCISA's mission to connect businesses and strengthen trade partnerships. BCCISA's aim and objectives. The Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry in South Africa is dedicated to strengthening bilateral trade relations between Bangladesh and South Africa, creating opportunities for Bangladeshi entrepreneurs and investors to expand across Africa, promoting innovation, sustainability, and inclusiveness in business development, offering platforms for networking, training, and collaboration among business leaders and professionals, acting as a bridge between government institutions, private sectors, and communities to ensure mutual economic growth. The establishment of this new office marks a milestone in BCCISA's journey, a clear reflection of its growth, leadership, and long-term vision. It will serve not only as a headquarters, but also as a hub of ideas, empowerment, and partnership for the entire Bangladeshi business diaspora in South Africa. Guided by innovation, inspired by sustainability, and strengthened by unity, Bccisa continues to build a greener, stronger, and more connected future.